Hello again guys, in this video I will show you how to add job application form in Wix website. First, open your Wix website editor and go to Pages and Menu. And then choose what page we're going to add the job application form. Here I'll choose Home, then Close, then let us choose this blank section and click the plus sign symbol to add elements. Choose Contact and Forms and choose Application. Here from the search box, type Forms and then enter. Choose the job application form. And here we have different templates from the choices. We will choose this template. And then as you can see, the job application form has been added in your page. Then we can change the form title by clicking one by one and clicking this edit text. Okay, we can change the appearance, the settings of the elements in our job application form. And to see the output of our job application form, we can click the preview button. And that's it guys. I hope that this video helped you a lot. Thanks guys.